This is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today's pillow paint is Gliden Essentials in eggshell. And our pouring medium is Vaspar Ultra and Varathane Polyurethane triple thick, a 3-to-1 ratio. Our paints are listed here, and they are mixed 3-to-1 with pouring medium. Our cell activators are also mixed with 3-to-1 to paint to Australian cilantro. Putting down the pillow paint now. Again, this is the Gliden Essentials in eggshell. Spread that up a little bit. First thing I'm going to go down is a combination of gold interference and gold sparkle. It's a color art pigment. After I get this put down, I'm going to pick up my swiping tool and draw the paint out from the center out to the edge to create a base color for the back. I hadn't really planned on doing this, but I picked up sparkle, which I had mixed up originally and didn't think I really wanted to add to it. And I put behind here in a swirl pattern so that it will give me that little extra. Next up is Naples Yellow, and this is a golden paint. I'm giving it a healthy amount there. This is my first paint down. Next is Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold, that's golden product. Quinacridone Magenta, also golden. And Golden Peach. This is This Little Piggy or TLP color. Next is Watermelon, also a TLP pigment. What you see me doing here is I'm popping bubbles. When I don't make up my paint ahead of time and give it time to settle, this happens. Okay, just practicing how I'm going to approach my swiping on this. I'm going to load up the back of my swiping tool with titanium white, carbon black, both of them my cell activators, and then put some velvet over the top of that so that that's the first thing down and the white will be the last thing, the cell activators. Okay, time to swipe. You can almost see the, well, not almost, you can see the cells pop. Okay, trying to stretch this out just a little bit so I can get the beginnings of my stretch going. Decide how I want it to flow and where things need to make the flow happen on the piece. I pick up my comb now, and I'm going to comb it out for some interest. And you can see the cells there. Now you can see the gold there. It's pretty dramatic. Stretching it out, getting a better idea of what the lay of the composition will be. First spin. Open things up, see what we have. You can see down in the black area where the cells have really opened up quite a bit. What I'm doing here is I'm taking off paint from my spinning table to save myself the cleanup on the floor. Trying to look over for bubbles. Decided I want to do something with that hard black line. Just kind of try to make it flow a little bit better. Now, if you have any questions about how I mix my paints, how I mix my pouring medium, how I mix my cell activators, please leave those questions in the comments below. I do answer all questions. And if you think it'd be useful for you, I could possibly do a video in the future to show you how I do those. Okay, I think I'm pretty close to what I want here. It's time for a flyover. You're going to see that the cells are just absolutely beautiful in this. If you found this useful today, if you could give me a like, take the time to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and ring the bell for notifications of videos that I have coming out. I try to do 3 videos per week, and I hope that you find them useful. Thanks for coming along for this journey today, and I hope to see you soon. Bye now.